What if there was a mistake in the document that was sent for e-signing? Simple answer is you can cancel the document prior to signing. After creating an envelope, check the signed document status. You will find different status explained. VeriDoc Sign's e-sign service provides complete document transparency to all of its users. So, if there was a mistake in the document and all parties have already signed, a new envelope would need to be created. Or else, if the document was sent for signing and was still pending signatures, the envelope creator can cancel the document, which sends alerts to everyone letting them know that the document was canceled. Even the cancellation history will also get saved in the blockchain and will be visible in the signed status column. Thank you for watching. Happy signing!